everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing pepper chicken, or you can also call it as teriyaki chicken because I'll be using teriyaki sauce which is over here. If you don't have teriyaki sauce, you can use soy sauce also, which is also black in color. So for that I have taken, before I tell you the ingredients, please go and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me so that you and I can stay connected. Also, now telling you the ingredients. So for that I have taken a big cup of spring onions. These are the spring onion bulbs and these are the leftover leaves that are there. So this is one big cup, and these are the spring bulbs of approximately 6 spring onions. Now this is 800 grams of chicken. I have taken mixed chicken pieces, 2 heaped tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 heaped spoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. You can use soy sauce also in the same quantity, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 6 green chilies slitted. Also I have taken 1 cup of capsicum, half cup of red bell pepper, some more black pepper we'll be using, and salt to taste. Now let's start with the recipe. So in a pot I am dropping in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Oil is heated well. Now dropping in the chicken pieces. Putting in some salt, black pepper powder, mixing everything. Now once chicken is done, I am going to take it out. I have taken out the chicken in another bowl. Now in the same pan, I will be dropping in green chilies. Saute them a bit. After 2 minutes, dropping in ginger paste, garlic paste, we'll cook them till they release aroma, and this will take about 5 to 7 minutes. You can cook it on medium flame or on high flame as per your like. Once ginger and garlic paste are done, we will add spring bulbs. Saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Adding in chicken again. Black pepper. Teriyaki sauce or soya sauce. Mix everything well. Adding in capsicum, bell pepper. Mix everything well. Now we'll cook everything for another 8 to 10 minutes till capsicum and bell peppers are completely done. Keep stirring in between. You can cook it on high flame as well. Once everything is done, now dropping in loads and loads of leftover spring onions, and we'll cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. You can cook it on high flame also, but remember, please keep stirring so that your masala doesn't get burnt. Sprinkling some more black pepper. Please adjust the spice level according to your liking. So here we go, our teriyaki chicken or pepper chicken is ready. Garnishing it with more spring onions because it gives very nice flavor to it. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.